beauties out there. Today's video is all about creating glam look effortlessly with budget-friendly products. So watch it till the end. I am starting with cleansing my face with Khadi Mauri cleansing lotion and massaging it well. It helps in deep cleansing and makes skin soft, hydrated and bright. Now with a dampened cotton, I will wipe off the dot. I feel so refreshing using this Kama Rose Water Mist. I just love it. Now after this cleansing and toning, you have to apply moisturizer. I swear by this Cetaphil and would recommend to those who have sensitive skin like me. I will let it sit for a few seconds and in the meantime I'll apply Oriflame Tender Care Balm to moisturize my lips. Girls, for creating this look I am using Garnier BB Cream. Trust me, it gives very good medium coverage and makes the skin tone look even. Next, with a dampened beauty blender, I will blend the cream evenly. I really don't like full coverage foundation for daily makeup and I prefer to let my skin breathe. Next, I am using concealer just to show you guys how you can cover your spots, dark circles, marks. Just take a little amount on your fingertip and dab it on the areas you want to cover. Usually I skip this step and try to look natural as much as possible, you know. You know what? I use this curler 2 times to skip mascara application because in hurry I make mess with mascara. My god. Those who have seen my previous videos, they know that how much I love this all-rounder matte eyeshadow palette. I even use it as my eyebrow kit. I am taking the dark brown powder to draw my eyebrow. What I like about this powder is its natural finish. Not too dark, not too light. Ekdam natural. Beginners can easily use this powder to fill their eyebrows. It is easier than using a pencil or any cream. Now I am highlighting my brow bone with lighter color from this eyeshadow palette. This is a light shade. I am using it to prime my eyes for eyeshadow application as I have not used any powder over my BB cream. This is my all-time favorite makeup product. Once you apply kajal, your face lights up. You can apply one more coat if you want. I am applying 2 coats here. I am setting my makeup with Australis banana powder. You can use any powder. Better if you can use baby powders. Actually, this is my new find, so I am using it now and then. It's contouring time, baby. I'm contouring my nose. As I'm blessed with oval face, I don't do face contouring unnecessarily. I am applying pinkish peach color on my eyes just to make it vibrant. What I am using is a blush on, but I am using it as a eyeshadow here. Whenever you're applying mascara, just roll it with your palm and then use it. Look down when applying on upper lashes and look up for the lower lashes. I was busy checking myself on camera to see how I was looking. Anyways, don't follow my eyes here. Please don't. Next is blush on. Try using peach and shades of pink. This suits almost all Indian skin tone and it gives you a natural glow. I love to use lip crayons. The application is very smooth and easy, and I don't need any lip liner. Girls, let me know what kind of lipstick you like in comment box. I will show you today how you can curl your hair without heat. I am taking these sticks here. You can take anything like paper fold, pen or any wooden stick. Just twist the hair like this, and before twisting make sure your hair is damp, or you can just spray little water. Better if you can spray that saline water, you will get better result. Keep it for 10 minutes and let it dry. Wow, exactly what I wanted. I am so happy. I just wanted a wavy look. So, I think I am done with my look. And that is my final finished look. I love this look because it looks very glamorous yet natural. I have not used too many products here and I feel this look will go with any outfit. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and liked the look I have created. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for upcoming interesting videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.